Hello traders, Ala Peters, founder of Alpha Wave Trader Method. It is 4:31 on June 4th, 2015. In this webinar, I will be sharing with you about Alpha Wave Trader Method, how I developed the method, what's involved in method, and more than anything, I look forward to your questions. First, please remember, always recognize the risks involved in trading and spend time reviewing US government required disclaimer about risks involved in trading. Never ever trade with risks you cannot afford. So what makes Alpha Wave Trader Method so different and unique? Until 2008, I was position trader, trading mostly on fundamentals. Trading was incredibly easy. Markets were very bullish. Trading on fundamentals had never been easier, in my view, until 2008. 2008 changed everything. 2008, fundamentally sound stocks were crushing, and I was not getting out of positions because I believed in fundamentals. It worked for me for so long. 2008 was a major wake-up call. 2008, I started studying in the charts, and I recognized very clearly price is not random. Price is perfect, and continue repeating the same dance time and time again. Take a look what happened today on S&P future. Those of you who were in a trading room know incredibly well. I've been spelling out, I am waiting for this level. This is the level I am interested in. As hourly chart, guiding light for day trading, been spelling out. This is reversal zone. Monitor for powerful reversal. All levels spelled out by the price since Monday. Reversal zone had finally been reached today, and that is the key to Alpha Wave Trader Method. All the levels in front of you are Alpha Wave Trader proprietary Fibonacci levels. Every single level is the same and rule is the same on any instrument and any time frame. When price comes to reversal zone, it means price will reverse. Monitor for rules. Rules are met. Take a bullish trade. This is what we've done in the trading room. At about 2:15 EST, that was trade number 15 for 4 points. It's only June 4th. One of the other reasons I was so incredibly excited about this level, we've taken advantage of this level multiple times. When it comes to daily chart on S&P mini future, it was the end of the minor trend. Pay attention, only the end of the minor trend. If S&P breaking through this level, it will head to 2083, 2868 and further. Very important to monitor at every level for Alpha Wave Trader rules. Currently, all the answers will be in European session. Currently, this bullish rally quite impressive. This bullish rally played out for 9 points. When it comes to daily structure, it is not that impressive. It's only corrective dance. Very important. What do you trade? Do you trade daily or do you trade hourly? Formula remains the same. Risk management is very different. That is the only difference. This trade had been recorded on live video and will be posted on the website. I recognize that price is the same everywhere. I recognized incredibly clearly. If I give you a chart, you wouldn't have an idea what chart this is. You don't know, is this euro? Is this some sort of stock? Is this Forex? If method works on any instrument and any time frame. This is bonds 15-minute chart. As I will show you time and time again, every single support and resistance in the market is not random. It is formed by Fibonacci level. Therefore, method that I developed applies to any instrument, any platform, any time frame. Here we go. I'll adjust the screen for all. I just saw that question. Hopefully that's better. The key rules I teach, key 4 rules, apply to precise entry, stop, and targets. All the exits done using proprietary Fibonacci tool. The tool available on any platform. The key is know the rules and know the settings. Only then apply the tool for your exits. If you take a look what's happening currently on S&P monthly, this is S&P mini future. Exact same rule as you witnessed on hourly to the downside, where we've taken advantage of reversal, is where monthly is. Rally spelled out by alpha wave trader method from 600 at reversal zone. I will show you multiple examples and multiple reminders. It is way too late to acquire a position on S&P if you're a position trader. Last chance to acquire a position on S&P was in October, when we saw the most powerful bearish correction in years. And as you see, Fibonacci level was respected and buyers stepped in with vengeance. This is worthless bearish correction. Price is very, very tired. It can continue chopping and flopping and then will completely reverse. This is where we are in monthly structure on S&P. All spelled out by the price since 2009, using exact same formula as I use on S&P hourly, using exact same formula that I use on Apple weekly. Therefore, no software, no indicators involved of any kind. Entry taken using market structure and exit taken using alpha wave trader proprietary Fibonacci levels. I have about 15 charts in front of me on S&P. Doesn't matter to me where a trade is, but it does matter to a trader what you trade. Students trade anything and everything from stocks, forex, ETFs, and sharing in their testimonies on the website, confirming that price remains the same everywhere. It doesn't matter what you trade. So why in the world I do not use any indicators? I did use indicators only to recognize that every single indicator in the market is delayed. No indicator on the planet will tell you where price heading to. No indicator on the planet will tell you where your exit levels are with precision. Fibonacci tool will show you far in advance where these levels are. For example, let's take a look on one of very important charts, such as oil monthly. As I will be teaching tomorrow in Fibonacci class and unraveling this beautiful magic puzzle, oil spelled out in 2011 where the reversal zone will be incredibly clearly if you just applied alpha wave trader rules. Take a look on oil monthly structure. Remember 2011? Remember bullish rally? Remember 2012 bullish rally? This is the end of the minor trend. Remember where S&P ended today? Does this look familiar? What has happened on oil? A very powerful bullish rally. Price struggled immensely to break through the end of the most powerful support in the market structure, as decision point 1 is the end of the minor trend. Price spelled out the support is incredibly temporary, that it will be broken. And finally, in 2014, complete collapse. Based on alpha wave trader method, you had opportunity to short from 105 area. And this is where we're witnessing bullish rally on oil as reversal zone had been reached. Exactly the same thing as S&P had done on hourly chart. Is anybody else having sound problem? Traders, is anybody else reporting any sound problem? Simon, check your PC settings. So here we go. As you see, exact same reversal zone on S&P hourly, exact same as very crucial level on S&P daily, as exact same level on oil monthly. And I will show you multiple examples that confirming that. Price is pure and simple. Magic happens if you just remove all the indicators and start studying the price. And if you are as passionate about price as I am, which I find it my favorite hobby, studying the charts, develop the strategies, you'll be amazed what happens after 10,000 hours of effort, how much you will discover about price. Moving averages crossover is one of my favorite indicators of all times that works perfectly 20% of the time. Because 20% of the time we have trending markets. And that is exactly when moving average is perfect. Moving average will never tell you what happens in the ranging markets. Moving average will never tell you when market in correction. If God forbid you're using moving average here, you're getting in serious trouble. And for that reason, I stopped using all the indicators and I started studying the price. And the latest strategy I developed is the best by far. I have traders that vary. I have very few beginner traders who are very lucky because those do not develop any bad habits. They come to me without any indicator addiction. If trader survives the first 2 years and comes to me with some of the bad habits, number one requirement in the course, get rid of all the indicators. If you don't, this is typical story. Jim had been a trader for 20 years. When I walked into mentoring session, when you do the mentoring course, I log in into your computer because I would like to see what the trader had been trading before, especially trader who had been trading for 20 years. Throughout 20 years, Jim made the investment of over $400,000 into indicators. He said to me, I don't know anything about the price. I've counted 9 indicators and I said, oh my goodness, this is a fortune. I can't see anything. RSI is flashing signs. God knows what arrows going all over the place. How can you see anything here? This gives you lack of market clarity. This teaches you nothing but use of more and more indicators. Price is simple. This is all you ever see in alpha wave trading room. It tells me entry points. It shows me reversal points. It shows me very clearly when market in correction and when market in reversal. This is all you ever need. This is a story, a book in front of you that's very clear and very precise. Let me show you where the bullish rally came from on a 1-minute chart. If you just used alpha wave trader method, I closed the room at 2:30, you would have taken more of the bullish trades. Take a look. Market close. Exact same formula as oil monthly. If you know where reversal zone is, you know incredibly well what not to enter into. You know incredibly well that key to monitor for rules. Rules are met, apply Fibonacci tool and take a trade. And that's all you ever see. Entry, stop and target. No need to make trading complicated. And this is how price continue evolving time and time again. Price never gives you any conflicting signals. Price never tells you anything that's insignificant. Price is precise, pure and clear. And one of the ultimate tests of all, do you know when to stay out of the market? Do you know when not to trade? Do you know what not to short into? This is not the place you want to short oil into. When price comes to reversal zone, you monitor for reversal. That's all you have to do. Here's multiple examples posted on social media for the last 4 years. Here's a crucial reminder of Amazon Weekly, reversal zone. Did you know what not to enter into? Did you know to get out? If you're holding Amazon stock, when price comes to reversal zone, all posted on social media far in advance, before price completely reversed. Do you know where euro reversed from? Does this look familiar? Reversal zone? Does this look familiar where we are right now on S&P monthly? Where is euro now? And that's what will happen with S&P. We're at very, very crucial times. And if you pay attention to this market structure, you would see very, very clearly. Here is the end of the minor trend, decision point 1. Euro struggled against this level forever and ever and ever. Finding selling pressure finally from reversal zone, finding buyers from 3400 area. More reversal. And finally ultimate reversal once 3400 had been broken. And that's all there is. If you remove all the indicators and spend years studying price, you may develop your own method. I find price very fascinating and very powerful confirmation that nothing in this world is random, and price has absolutely perfect symmetry, exact same symmetry you're finding in everything that surrounds you. In flowers, in nature, when you look in the mirror, what do you see? Do you see perfect symmetry? Do you ever wonder, where is this coming from? Exact same symmetry discovered in price. An exact same symmetry was discovered in nature by Leonardo Pisano in 13th century. And this is what I use, and this is what I'm fascinated with. Fibonacci. Fibonacci is the key to alpha wave trader method. And this is exactly what is shown on Apple, where Apple struggling 4 months in a row to break through the end of the minor trend. Rules are met, you get out. You can see incredibly clearly, Apple will not break through this level. Would you like to know what Apple is telling me now? This level is broken. Apple is heading to 147.80. 147.80 you must monitor for alpha wave trader rules. 147.80 is broken, Apple will head to reversal zone. All spelled out by the price, since last year. And this is where Apple is. Long from 100. Stuck at the end of the minor trend. Sounds familiar? Exact same end of minor trend where we've taken advantage on S&P. Confirming. If you found the method that works, it should work on any instrument and any time frame. The only difference between instruments is the liquidity. Lower the liquidity, higher the volatility. That's all. Fibonacci numbers is the key to alpha wave trader method. This is what I use. I only trade Fibonacci charts. I don't touch non-Fibonacci numbers. This golden ratio is the key to alpha wave trader method. And here is alpha wave trader method, and this is what I teach in the course. This is what I start with in every basic class. Trade only inception of the trend, wave 1. Never ever 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 get tempted to trade counter trend, wave 2. If you miss the inception of the trend and rules are met, take the inception of wave 3. Never ever 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 short wave 4 unless you want to become an aggressive trader, which no trader should ever do. If you intend to be in trading long term, you want to trade with a trend. And if you're acquiring positions so late at the end of wave 3, your success rate is 20%. Because only 20% of the time market breaks through reversal zone. Because only 20% of the time we have trending markets. Here's an example of FOMC. Everything done in live trade videos in the live markets posted on YouTube channel and the blog. This was FOMC on March 18th. Does this look familiar? Shocker, reversal zone been broken. Long from 2053, the end of the minor bearish trend. You could see where sellers stepped in from and what we waited for. Looks familiar? Remember where daily chart on S&P is today? Wouldn't that be lovely if S&P will stage such spectacular rally? Highly unlikely. Price is telling me very, very unlikely that that will happen. But that's a reminder. It's all the same formula. Using exact same rule. Each and every time. You come to the website, it never gets old listening to my students. As you could see, students trade anything, from stocks, options to Forex. And students vary from very beginner trader to trader who've taken every single course on the planet. William trades options, stocks, futures, ETFs. And you can see anything and everything that has the price applies to alpha wave trader method. DAX, Forex, anything. If there is a price and if method is sound, it should work on any instrument and any time frame. So here we go, very powerful reminder. Understand completely market structure and do not ever acquire a position at the end of wave 5. In this particular case, your success rate 20%. Trader became very, very lucky because he acquired the position at the end of wave 3. But this is very powerful reminder of the importance of reversal zone and very powerful reversal to the downside. So this is ultimate test ranging markets. Because we have bearish correction on S&P, it's ultimate test of your knowledge daily. Do you know what separates correction from reversal? Do you know when to walk away from computer? Those of you who were in a trading room yesterday, that could not be more clear. As I've been saying time and time again, Knowledgeable trader is walking the dog. There's absolutely nothing good happening here until 2098 is broken. That's when it became interesting, and we've taken advantage of that collapse. Simple. Babysitting corrective fluff does not work. Nevertheless, Fibonacci level still respects it, but targets are so much smaller. You can't pull 10-point target from the ranging market. That's what separates knowledgeable trader who looks and says, range is incredibly small. There will not be a rally here. Look at this fluff. This is when knowledgeable trader runs, unless you want to trade with a couple of tick worth of profit. This was the dance between the levels. That's all there is. 2-point range forever. And that's when it's essential to respect what price is telling you and to know if you're acquiring position at reversal zone, this is what you get. Nothing good happens. Buyers are tired. Monitor for reversal. Stay out of fluffy correction. If you're trading DAX, you're trading pound yen or oil, you understand completely that volatility is very, very powerful. On these instruments, you have drastically bigger targets and drastically bigger range. And therefore, it doesn't matter if instrument in ranging or trending markets. Fibonacci levels showing you very, very clear where this target is. Trending markets respect Fibonacci levels as much as ranging markets do. Yes, the webinar is being recorded. So the most important wave in the market structure is wave 3. As I explained earlier, I see the markets as very simple. Market always complete 5-wave dance formation. If market has major trend, price forms 5 waves. That's all there is. Wave 3 is always present, and this is one of the examples. If you acquire Fibonacci levels at trade at the end of wave 3, nothing good happens. Your success rate 20%. Knowledgeable trader would stay out completely and would monitor for reversal. Please hold the questions. In about 5 minutes, I look forward to answering them. Here's another reminder, very powerful wave 3 to the downside. And very, very crucial and essential not to ever acquire position at the end of wave 3. If you think you're riding a nice trend and all of a sudden you get very sharp reversal, this is exactly what happens. And this is very, very crucial reminder. Here's an example, S&P weekly. Not a good place to enter into. If you're entering at the end of wave 3, this is what you get. Always respect the levels. Decision point 1 is a brick wall. Never to be disrespected and never to be entered into. If you did not acquire position at 2060 on weekly, you are staying out. 2060 was a perfect point of entry if you are trading weekly charts. So here's a reminder of the importance of the market structure and the danger of acquiring position that late. If you know the rules, most crucial component in successful trading, to know when to stay out. Euro's 3-minute chart, very powerful rally, very powerful inception of the trends, easily taken advantage of if you know the rules. Oil, if you're trading oil, you're already accomplished and successful trader. If you had not doubled your account elsewhere, you don't want to touch oil, as oil has very sharp volatility due to very low liquidity as a future. Therefore, it's creating very cumbersome formations. And test your ultimate knowledge of Fibonacci levels. Here's Google, as clean of a market structure as it ever gets. Perfect 5-wave pattern. Magnificent, pure and clear, major trend. And very important reminder, in this particular case, the trader became very, very lucky if the trader acquired the position at the end of wave 3. So there we go. In Alpha Wave Trader method, there is 2 key concepts: pure price for entry, stop, and Fibonacci for exits. No software, no indicators of any kind. You can apply the method to any instrument that you like to trade, as long as you recognize risks involved in trading that instrument. As long as you recognize that the choice of the instrument is absolutely crucial. Are you a day trader? Are you a position trader? Or are you an option trader? That remains the key. Students trade on charts I've never heard of. From Sierra charts to MT4 to Thinkorswim, any instrument has price and any platform has Fibonacci tool. Fibonacci price waves is what defines the market structure, what gives you high probability entries, high probability targets, and show you very clearly areas of inherent danger, areas when to stay out and what not to enter into. And this is Alpha Wave Trader method in detail. I look forward to your questions. I would highly appreciate if you post the instrument of your choice and if you would let me know the time frame next to it. Please remember very, very clearly that I have access only to major stocks. I don't have access to 10,000 stocks, only major stocks, Forex, futures, indices. If you are interested in learning the method, I highly encourage you browse everything about the method, review frequently asked questions, listen to audio testimonies, meet the students. My students become my dear friends. We start from scratch on Monday. Tomorrow I teach very important Fibonacci class. Again, 1 question per person, please. I'm bringing up the data feed. Remember that on every platform, the abbreviation is different. I am on NinjaTrader. NinjaTrader is absolutely fantastic platform if you are a day trader. So let's go to the data feed. 1 second, let me add the stocks. And let's start. So the first question was about stocks. The first question was about Google. Any other stocks? Pretty please, let's add the instruments so we don't have to go back and forth. Oil, 1 minute, not a problem. Amazon coming up. Excellent. Any other stock questions, please? Any other stock questions? Major stocks, please. TWTR. Please make sure it's a major stock. Is TWTR a major stock? TWTR is not a major stock. Ford. Ford, I believe, is a major stock. A, B, C, D, E, F. Here is Ford. Ford is a major stock. Ford, Amazon, Google, and Apple. If it's not a major stock, it's not present, as you could see. FDAX, UPS. FDX. Okie dokie, enough on stocks. Next question, Forex and futures, please. Forex and futures. Any questions on Forex and futures? I see the question about SPY and I see the question about oil. Any other questions on Forex and futures? I have no idea what @US mean. You need to tell me the name. On every platform it's different abbreviation. On Ninja, @US is not present. Pound, New Zealand dollar. Fabulous question. Love, love, love Forex. Pound, New Zealand dollar. GBP. NZT done. Make sure you post the time frame next to it. We've been looking on S&P future band multiple times today. I had shown daily levels multiple times. We've looked on S&P daily, weekly, monthly, hourly. I will show you daily levels again. NG natural gas future. Aussie dollar coming up. Aussie dollar. Euro USD coming up. 30-year bond moving to futures. Moving to futures. I see the question 30-year bond. What a stunning instrument. One of our students been shorting it forever and sharing his results in the room. ZB. The least expensive and the most profitable future. Breaks my heart that the best moves 3 a.m. I already have ZB on my chart. FTSE. We've been looking on S&P traders. I've shown many charts on S&P. FTSE 100 coming up. For the sake of the time, I don't want to go back to what we already looked at. We've looked on S&P future many times today. FTSE. Which one is FTSE here, please? This one? Yes? Costa, tell me which one. It's in front of you. I don't trade for FTSE. You need to tell me which one. I see DAX very clearly. Which one is FTSE? Okie dokie, so let's look on the questions that I received. As you could see, it's taken a lot of times to add. Let's take a look on these questions one at a time. So pretty please, post the time frame. We're gonna start in alphabetical order. Aussie dollar, what time frame please? Two-hour chart. Interesting number. 2 is Fibonacci number. 2-hour chart. I will show you where you had a beautiful opportunity to short from. If you know the rules, price had never made it to reversal zone. Price made it only to decision point 2. Which is had happened to the tick on the last trade we've taken in the room. I would like to highlight to you the importance of this level. When you come to the website and you see the results for the last 3 years, on multiple instruments, the focus shifted to only S&P as of 2 months ago. You can see very clearly. Target 2 is decision point 2. Extremely important to move your stop outside of break even. Very crucial point. What do you see has happened on Aussie dollar 120-minute chart? If you did not know how crucial this level is, look at the dance between the levels. And let me show you where Aussie dollar is currently. This is not the place to short Aussie dollar. Aussie dollar in bullish correction. It's absolutely nothing spectacular. This is what the webinar had been all about. Decision points are alpha wave trader proprietary Fibonacci levels. Aussie dollar reversal zone had been reached. There is absolutely no bullish reversal, only correction. And this is why rules are the key. This is exact same thing we're seeing on S&P future monthly chart. Only correction. We don't see any bearish reversal. Very, very different than S&P hourly chart that staged powerful reversal we've taken advantage of. Those of you guys who had been asking about S&P, this is S&P, many charts over. From daily, monthly, weekly, and hourly. Next question, please. After Aussie dollar, I have Euro USD. What chart, please? Euro USD. I apply the rules I developed. Euro USD, if there is no answer, I will pull up the first available chart. Euro USD daily chart. Let me show you first where bullish rally came from. I will also remind you the importance of this level time and time again. Remember the bullish rally on oil in 2011? Remember where S&P daily is? Why we've been waiting for this level since early this morning? Does this look familiar? Is that clear what not to short into? Is this a good time to buy euro? Absolutely not. Bullish rally overextended. Bullish rally in reversal zone. Absolutely no long entries on euro at this level. This is where euro currently on daily chart. Next question was about GBP and ZD. What time frame is that, please? GBP and ZD daily. Costa, are you the only person who answered about so many instruments? It's not fair to others. Anybody else, please? The next instrument. Let's go to stocks. I want to make sure that I answer others' questions. Amazon. What time frame on Amazon, please? I know, but I also answered other questions. Amazon daily. What chart, please? Amazon daily. What time frame on Amazon, traders? If you're not saying anything, I will pull up the first available chart. 1 hour Amazon. Interesting. Very unusual to hear a stock trader trading 1 hour. 1 hour Amazon coming up. My goodness, so many gaps. Not very attractive chart. Let me show you where reversal came from. Looks familiar? Knowing the importance of the minor trend? Bullish trend is minor on Amazon hourly. This is a beautiful place to look to buy. Let me show you why. Again, you only have to monitor for the rules. No random and blind entries. The trend currently in reversal zone. Why is Amazon having so much difficulty? It's only bullish correction. You do never want to enter into Fibonacci level. Never, ever, ever, ever. You only trade between the levels, and by the time you come to this level, you are in profit. This is massive fluff. It's only a correction. Right now on Amazon hourly, if you short it, you're in a beautiful place. Your trail is 431.93. You are not shorting anywhere near reversal zone. Way too late to short. Time to stay out on Amazon. Next question was on oil. Oil futures daily coming up. I miss oil. You could see the results on oil going back 2 years. I only recently removed oil because majority of traders trade only S&P. Because S&P give you unlimited potential. With oil, you're very limited when it comes to lot size. Here's oil. Bounce came from the end of the minor trend. I expect bounce from this level. Very, very important. Don't short anywhere near this level. Monitor for rules to see if oil is giving you reversal. If oil breaking through this level, next level to the downside, 55. If you oil breaking through this level, key to monitor for rules at each level. Next level, 52. I am drawing levels KS clearly. I'm not just putting chart on my chart. What a very interesting comment. Very, very positive and very upbeat. You are hysterical. Let's do this. Let's do this. You want to see where oil reversal came from? Here's the line. All done live. Like it? Never heard that in 4 years. That's a new one. Clear? And this is what I teach in the course. And this is what I start with daily. Market analysis. This is where collapse on oil came from. Reversal zone. And this remains the key. And this is where oil is now, at the end of the minor trend. Any other questions about any other instruments? The next question was on Ford. What chart on Ford, please? Ford monthly. Ford monthly in very powerful downtrend. Very powerful downtrend. There is no ifs or buts about it. And this is where reversal came from. Reversal zone. How's that, KS? Is that clear? My pleasure, JM. Life is magic if you know Fibonacci levels. Life is magic if you play by the rules and know where reversal zone is. What is Ford monthly showing me? This is the key level to the downside, and you're witnessing time and time again. Never, ever, ever, ever acquire position at reversal zone. Always and forever, by the time you come to reversal zone, you are in significant profit. To the downside on Ford, this will be the key area. All spelled out by the price since 2010. The levels playing out. today in 2015. Next question, DAX. What time frame, please? On DAX, what time frame, please? Extremely important that you know when to stay out. The downtrend on DAX daily is spectacular. DAX daily currently 50% in a process. This is where sellers came in from. Let me show you where sellers are currently. Decision point 2. How predictable is price? The downtrend on DAX daily is not over. It's very temporary support. Every single chart is a chart in front of you. Not any other chart but the chart I'm showing you. And this is what I teach tomorrow in Fibonacci class. DAX is showing very clear continuous selling pressure, but it could be dancing at decision point 2 forever between these two levels. Reversal zone to the downside will be very important, 2800 area. Jean-Pierre, I thought you were asking about daily. You want the hourly chart? Was that the question on DAX or something else? Next question, FDAX. My pleasure. I guess a couple of you guys were asking about DAX. Here's a question on FDAX. Where's FDAX daily right now? In very powerful uptrend, way too late to buy FDAX. Expect very powerful and very sharp reversal. Very close to 181.54. This is not the place you want to enter the position on FDAX daily. Bullish rally overextended. You see incredibly clearly what happened when price came to the end of the minor trend. Very crucial reminder. An acquiring position right now into decision point 2 is not a good idea. Expect very powerful sell-off tomorrow. The best case scenario, price will be stuck here completely. This is very important Fibonacci level. Next question, I'm running out of time, ladies and gentlemen. Next question, Google. What time frame on Google, please? Google in very serious uptrend. Let me show you where the uptrend coming from. The end of the minor trend on current structure. Let me show you precisely where Google is right now, at what levels. Very, very gappy chart. This is where Google is right now, only at the end of the minor trend. This level is broken, Google is heading to 563.70 and all the way to 573.28. Clear? And this is where price is currently stuck at the end of the minor trend. Next question, UPS. What time frame, please? I did not see a question. I don't know how many questions I can answer. I'm doing my absolutely best. UPS in very powerful uptrend on daily chart. No ifs or buts around it. Price very, very close to reversal zone. This is not the time to buy UPS. Actually, it's a decision point too right now. What is it showing right now? UPS, selling pressure to the downside. If you can buy as low as possible, if you know the rules, this would be the place to enter the position. Nowhere near this level. Rules are met, take a trade. Rules are not met, do not touch UPS. And that remains the key. UPS stuck at the end of the decision point 101.58. Very crucial resistance level. Is that clear? Bullish rally overextended based on alpha wave trader method. Buy on UPS 96 area, 97. UPS at 101.50. This level is broken. UPS will go higher to 103. This is not the place to enter into. You know the rules. Look to buy at 100. UPS already reached all the targets with buy from 96. Any other questions? There was a question about bonds. Last question about bonds. What time frame, please? Daily. Coming up. Bonds daily already here. Here we go. Here goes the bonds daily. We are at reversal zone. We are in bullish correction. If bonds daily breaking through this level, price will head much higher. Currently today it's only bullish correction, it is not reversal. Do not acquire position anywhere near this level. This is where sellers will be stepping in from continuously. And this is very important reminder. Do not ever short into reversal zone. Never ever. This is where bullish rally came from in February, and this is what you've been witnessing bonds had been doing in months of May. If you short from here. Rules are met, you take a short and look at 3-day battle at the end of the minor trend. End of minor trend is broken, and here's ultimate collapse to reversal zone. So ladies and gentlemen, I'm out of time. If you would like to learn the strategy, all you have to do, go to the website, click on Learn, Review About. If you have any questions, my phone number and my email posted in front of you. I highly encourage you to review the blog, review the YouTube channel, multiple live trade examples. Listen to audio testimonies from students. We have a very happy community of traders who vary from very beginner to traders who've been trading for 20+ years. If you had enough of indicators, you came to the right place. Thank you so much for your time. My joy and pleasure being here with you. Any questions, always feel free to contact me. info@alphawavetrader.com. Phone number 925-257-4298. I teach very important Fibonacci class tomorrow morning. If you would like to sign up for the course, would love to see you in that class. We're looking on larger time frames and magic starts unraveling in front of your eyes. Price starts being much more clear and starts making absolutely perfect sense. Thank you so much. Have a marvelous afternoon and beautiful weekend. Please remember that trading room is closed on Fridays. Fridays devoted to education only. Thank you, traders. Have a marvelous afternoon. Bye-bye.